Good morning students. Today we discuss about the lesson biology, the first lesson in nutrition. Already this topic is over before lockdown. So actually what is nutrition? Nutrition is the good thing to take any food material from plants or animals. So if you have take any food, that food will be digest and will give you energy. That is called nutrition. So nutrition just definition about that. Okay, nutrition is a nourishment of our body. So actually nutrients are two types. One is the macronutrients and second one is the micronutrients. What is macronutrients and what is micronutrients? Macro means the large amount of, that is called macro, and micro means very small quantity. So difference between macro, that is called a small quantity, that is micronutrients. So if you have take any food, that food will be the include the two nutrients. One is the macronutrients and second one is the micronutrients. Macronutrients and second one is the micronutrients. Macronutrients are mainly three types. One is the carbohydrates, and proteins and lipids. So both are called as macronutrients. And second one is micronutrients. Micronutrients are mainly two types: vitamins and minerals. Vitamins and minerals. So these are two types of nutrients: macronutrients and the micronutrients. And the nutrients is mainly two types. One is the autotrophic nutrition, and second one is the heterotrophic nutrition. Nutrients are two types, that is called a macronutrients and micronutrients. And second one is nutrition. One is the autotrophic nutrition and second one is the heterotrophic nutrition. So that's about autotrophic nutrition. In the autotrophic nutrition, in the presence of sunlight, that is called a photosynthesis. The plants prepare food material in the presence of sunlight, water, carbon dioxide, and that is called a photosynthesis. And second one is heterotrophic nutrition. Heterotrophic nutrition means depend on the other organisms or depend on the other origins. That is called suppose the cat depend on rat. Okay, that is the example. The dog depend on the cat, someone. Okay, so that is depend on the other animals. That is called a heterotrophic nutrition. One is the autotrophic nutrition and second one is the heterotrophic nutrition. In autotrophic nutrition are mainly two types. One is the phototrophic nutrition and second one is the chemotrophic nutrition. One is the phototrophic nutrition and second one is the chemotrophic nutrition. What is phototrophic nutrition and what is chemotrophic nutrition? Actually the photo means light. Photo means light. Okay. So in the presence of sunlight, which type you have take? Only for sunlight. In the presence of sunlight, the plants prepare the whole food material through the sunlight, water, carbon dioxide. That is called a photosynthesis. So that means the phototrophic nutrition. And chemotrophic nutrition in the second one. The chemo means the solar energy converted into the chemical energy. That is called a chemotrophic nutrition. That is called a chemotrophic nutrition. Okay. So this is the basics and fundamental about the nutrition. So now let's discuss about the photosynthesis. mean light, synthesize mean dividing into a small particles. So that is called photosynthesis. In the presence of sunlight, carbon dioxide and water, the plants prepare both food material, that is called a photosynthesis. So in this lesson, the plants preparing both food material. Okay, so that is called a photosynthesis. In the photosynthesis, mainly 4 types of your required material. Take any one. If you have done the photosynthesis, the required material mainly 4 types. One is the carbon dioxide. Second one is the water. Third one is the chlorophyll. Carbon dioxide, water, chlorophyll. Okay, and these are called a required material. Photosynthesis: carbon dioxide, water, chlorophyll, and sunlight. So in this chlorophyll, it is a color of green color pigment, that is called a chlorophyll. Okay, so required material 4 types. So next one, end product of the photosynthesis. When will be after the complete the photosynthesis, the end product, that is called as 3 types. One is the glucose, oxygen, and water. Okay, so these are called end product of the photosynthesis, and these are called required material of the photosynthesis. So in the presence of sunlight, so in this the formation of so many scientists, von Helmont and von Neil. Okay, so both are called some glucose molecule give 1 molecule of oxygen and 1 molecule of a water. So who scientists that glucose molecule, oxygen, water, the von Neil and the von Helmont. But in the finally the equation of the Robert Hill, the Robert Hill equation is 6CO2 plus 12H2O gives rise to C6H12O6 plus 6O2 plus 6H2O. So this is the finally equation of the photosynthesis. Okay, so in the presence of sunlight and chlorophyll. Okay, in the presence of sunlight and chlorophyll. This is equation belongs to Robert Hill. And before Robert Hill, the mainly 2 types of scientists. One is the von Helmont and one is the von Neil. So both are called the glucose divided into the molecule of oxygen, molecule of water. And the finally the equation of Robert Hill equation is 6CO2 plus 12H2O gives rise to sunlight by chlorophyll. C6H12O6 plus 6CO2 plus 6H2O. That is the finally equation of the photosynthesis. Okay, now the required material of photosynthesis. One is the CO2, H2, water, chlorophyll, and sunlight. So now let's discuss about the essential for the carbon dioxide. So that's mean need of carbon dioxide. Pass. For carbon dioxide. Essential for carbon dioxide. So required materials in this first one, essential for carbon dioxide. Okay, so carbon dioxide, the photosynthesis, the required material is 4 types. One is the carbon dioxide, water, and sunlight, and take the carbon dioxide. Okay, in the experiment, the potted plant, take a potted plant. Take a potted plant. And take a spit cloth and a white mouthed bottle and KOH pellets or KOH solution. Actually, why need a potted plant? The potted plant permanently KMO. Okay. So KOH pellets are KOH solution. Actually, why you need potted plant? In the potted plant, the plant in a living position. Suppose the only normal plant, if you take any normal plant, the plant die and after the leaf also die. That's why take a potted plant and wide mouthed body and split cork and KOH. Okay, in this experiment to arrange the apparatus, show this picture. Okay, the first one, take the point. In this experiment, the plant before 12 hours kept in a dark room. First point. And second point, then that room they have no ventilators and they have no any windows. Why? Because when we have to take the oxygen. Okay, so that's why kept in a dark room. Okay, when will we have take the observation or we have a kept in dark room in the plant totally removed from the oxygen. Okay, so when will we have take oxygen in the presence of sunlight, chlorophyll, water, carbon dioxide, that is called photosynthesis. The plant will be removed from the photosynthesis. Okay, and secondly the wild plant, wide mouthed bottle, take a wide mouthed bottle, take a wide mouthed bottle and taking some part of the half of, suppose the leaf. Okay, the leaf. So in this picture, suppose, yes. So now you see, observe the part of half of part in the leaf. Why? Because half of part in the leaf. In the bottle already we put here some KOH pellets or KOH solution. Why? Because put here KOH solution. The KOH solution is observed CO2 in the bottle. That is the main point. Why you need of KOH pellets or KOH solution? The KOH pellets are the KOH solution. The observed in the bottle in the CO2. Bottle లో ఉన్నటువంటి CO2 KOH అబ్జర్వ్ చేస్తుంది కాబట్టి, so that is the need of a KOH. Okay, then you observe the KOH solution. Okay, after that, after 4 hours or 6 hours, after 4 hours or 6 hours, then will be observed the one leaf of the outside of the bottle and two kept in the wide mouthed bottle in the leaf. So the both of leaves are very different. Why? Because okay, so this is the for example a leaf. So this leaf is belongs to put in a wide mouthed bottle. Okay, the outside and the outside and the bottle, that is the green in color. That is the green in color. In the bottle, the leaf is blue black. Blue black. Why? Because blue black in the mouth in the cover. The KOH solution absorb the CO2 in the bottle. So that's why the leaf can change the color into green color into blue black color. That's why the CO2 is essential for the photosynthesis. That's why the CO2 is essential for the CO2. Actually, the CO2 why is observed? So in the presence of starch mean the food middle of the plant. That is the observed. So that's why in the bottle the leaf is color into green color into blue black. Okay. So that is the observation of the starch. So actually before going to experiment, this potted plant kept in a dark room. Why? Because kept in a dark room. In that dark room they have no any sunlight, water, carbon dioxide. That's why totally observed the starch. So that's why kept in a dark room. Okay. Pass. Okay. So this is the essential form of the carbon dioxide. Actually, in the nutrition lesson, carbon dioxide, water, chlorophyll and the formation of a leaf. Okay, so both are called some scientists who discovered it. And one more scientist, Lavoisier. The Lavoisier is the modern father of a food and nutrition. The Lavoisier. Okay, so and the second one is carbon dioxide. Who discovered the carbon dioxide? Joseph Blatter. Joseph Blatter. And the who discovered the oxygen? Joseph Priestley or Lavoisier. The Lavoisier named was the oxygen, but Joseph Priestley only just that is called air. Okay, and the totally depend on the carbon dioxide. And one more question in this lesson: what is the study about water? What is the study about water? That is called hydrology. That is called hydrology. Okay, so this lesson is over.